And today we're talking about reasons to start car restoration projects in 2022 in summer right now. If you really want to start car restoration project, what the heck? Why not? You can do this, you can start right now.
Patrick's Garage.
Grab your snack, welcome back. I'm agreed that main thing working place, your working place where you want to messing with your car, and ideally it will be a garage or maybe a roof, so you can hide your car under the sun, rain, water. Not good when water goes inside, penetrate inside the car. You will be to start this project when you have place. Many things, tools you can buying in the process of restoration. You never know what will be need in the future, in the next step, what you will need. Maybe you have not enough time, not enough money, but you never be ready completely to start this project. So, main thing, garage and spare time. So, you can start this car repairing project right now. And yes, money, you always need money for doing car repair. You always need a little bit amount of money for spare parts, and you should be ready that this extend to long period of time. This is not just engine repair to replace anything, even replace engine, not long period of time project. This is like long repair, I think, project. Why they calling this project? This is a repair, but repair of all car completely. But I think that will be better to start from body, repair body first of all, and the main thing, car can driving while this repairing it not will stay at this time, so you can only towing your car. If you want to put into another place, your car will be start from body if your engine in working condition and rusty body. So it turns out that you have rusty body, but from the start, first thing, not to buy really rusty body. Yes, 50 years old car, what you want, it always will be with rust, but rust maybe a little bit, but maybe completely rotten away car. You're never going to messing with this condition of car. This is a really expensive repair. You need a lot of welding wires, this welding gas, using electricity, welding machine, and main thing, your own time. You don't want to spend too much time for body repair. So, will be better if you want to start. Will be better to find car in good condition, spend a little bit more time, maybe a little bit more money, but this is more valuable to buy car in good condition than buying car in bad condition and then spending a lot of amounts of money. Only, I don't know, maybe you have a big wad of hundreds in your pocket, so you don't care. Who gives a crap about a rusty car? You can hire the welder, and the welder going to repair your car for money. If you have a lot of money, I don't know. I'm talking about if you have time, little bit money, and you want to repair a car by own hands. Or maybe you just not familiar with mechanic you can trust, so you gonna make this repair by our own hands, so you can trust people in nowadays. Good opportunity now in the summer in 2024. You can find information, valuable information for restoration, where you can find about your car, old car, your car project. You want to find not only spare parts, but you want to find information, tightening moments and things like that, gaps, all this. You should have this information. Now, in years, yes, they correct this information. It's not first sources was proper information like tightening of the camshaft nut. And you can find this information from books which was used in dealer station in olden days. This is paper catalogs, paper service manuals. This is very useful books. You can find them online on eBay. I bought a lot of them on eBay. This is all mechanics. They selling these books, so they go to saving this information in electronic sources of information in the computers inside. So this is paper books. They can solve these books, old mechanics. But their managers just throwing out these books. They have no needles to using these books about all cars especially. So you can find them online and buying them, but they not cheap. No. They're really expensive. Probably online you can find maybe, and then printing out these books you can. I'm also doing so, but for my own purposes, I'm printing out books which I found online and using them. But it will be better to find a really book which was used for the dealer stations by mechanics. This is a really great book with a lot of understandable information. I mean, Volvos. I'm using Volvos. I'm driving Volvos. I know about Volvos. And now in summer 2024, you can find a lot of parts online on all our planet. Decades ago, you can find only parts locally. You have no access 30 years ago. There is no a lot of guys which selling spare parts online. Now a lot of sources of spare parts suppliers, so they supplying these parts all over the world, so you can find these parts which you need online. Yes, you're going to wait a little bit, so you order them in advance before you start your repair. What we want to say, main thing in car project, main reason to start car project in summer 2024, your own desire. There is no other reasons. You will doing these things only for you. Don't care about anybody who's saying that you shouldn't do this, but if you want to do this right now, only your desire. There is no desire, there is no process, there is no reason. So if you have reason to start your car project, you can do this right now. And all the things you can do on this project, during this project, more easier. You go through all these difficulties more easier if this is really desired by you. Really hard to repair rusty car, and I'll put videos on the description box how I restored a rusty body of Volvo, so probably you watching what was done by me and you saying, oh, I don't want to do anything with old rusty cars.
Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.